I'd like to predict my first conversation in the morning. Did you guys hear a weird noise last night? Me neither.